Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can use the Consolidate feature to quickly add up figures based on criteria. So in this example, I've got 4 quarters with 4 different countries selling units of products. What I want to know is a total for each country. So what has the UK sold, for example, the US, France, Japan, etc., etc. And I want it over here as a little list. Now, you could go through this sort of scenario. You could use the VStack function. So the VStack function would allow you to do stuff like this. I could highlight that list, do a comma, highlight the next list, etc., comma, like that, comma, like that. So that will stack them all on top of each other, which gives you a big long list, like so. I could then maybe highlight this whole table and use names to name this list. So let me just go to the formulas tab and create from selection. Just want the top row. Okay, and then I could use maybe the unique function to give myself a list of those countries. So if I go equals unique and then open that up, and then I want to select the name country like so, close that bracket and then tick. It gives me the list of countries. And then I could use the sum if function, for example, to look down this list, country, and for UK, and then find the information or add the information up. So let's try that one. So equals sum if, press tab to get the bracket. So looking down country, comma, for the UK, first of all, comma, when I find it, I want it to sum up units. Click a tick, and it gives me a figure. And I can just pull that down, and that gives me the answer. So that's summarized it. Now that's quite a long-winded process really, because I could have used the consolidate function. So if I give myself a bit of space here, if I go over there and come on to the data tab, and it's not a function, it's just a feature, it's in data tools, consolidate. I'm using the sum function there, but you've got these other options I could use. You basically need to select the ranges. So I'm selecting the range like so, and you add that. Then you select the next one, which is that one, and then add, and then the third quarter, add, and then the last quarter, add. Now I want the left column to appear, which is these labels, and then I just click OK to that, and it gives me exactly the same information as all listed. So rather than using the VStack function to stack them up, and then the unique function, and then the sum if function, I achieve the same result by just using consolidate in the data tools area on the ribbon. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use the consolidate feature to quickly summarize data. Thanks for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.